With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students. Question is the points representing cube roots of unity. And the first option are collinear. Second option lie on circle of radius root 3. Form an equilateral triangle. None of these. Okay students. So let's find this solution. See, cube root of unity. Okay. So we have to find roots of z is equals to 1 to the power 1 upon 3. This is cube root of unity. Okay. Now I'm going to cubing both sides. What will get? Z cube equals to 1. Okay. Now this will become z cube minus 1 is equals to 0. Here you will see this is polynomial in z, which means that this equation will have 3 roots. Okay. Okay. Now then we have to say what those all 3 roots represent. Okay. So first of all, let me find roots of this equation. I'm going to consider this a cube minus b cube. So this will become z minus 1, okay, into a square plus b square, that is 1 square 1, plus ab z is equals to 0. So from here we'll get 1 root z is equals to 1. Okay, no problem. Now other 2 roots will get from equation z square plus z plus 1 equals to 0. So let's find this. So z will be equals to minus 1 plus minus root under 1 square minus 4 minus 3 upon 2. And this will become minus 1 plus minus I root 3, this is iota, upon 2. I am going to take our negative sign. So z second root will be minus 1 minus iota root 3 upon 2. Okay. And by taking plus sign, our other root will be z is equals to minus 1 plus iota root 3. I'm going to separate this upon 2 upon 2. Okay. I'm going to name this as first root z1, second root z2, and third root z3. Okay. One more changes that I'm going to do. I'm going to separate this 2 on both terms. No problem, students. Now see. Here, all the z1, z2, z3 are equation of this root. Roots of this equation. Taking mod both sides will get mod z cube is equals to 1, which will give mod z cube is equals to 1, and from here we'll get mod z is equals to 1, which means that all the 3 roots values, modulus of all the 3 roots are 1. So mod z1 is equals to mod z2 is equals to mod z3 is equals to 1. No problem, students. Now see. I am going to represent all points, okay, in Euler's form, okay, or in coordinate system. So z1 will be, this is, I am not writing Euler form, I am writing point form. This will become 1 comma 0. Okay. Z2 point will be minus 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 2. Okay. And Z3 coordinates will be minus 1 by 2, okay, root 3 by 2. Okay, so these are 3 points. We have question is where options are whether they are collinear or they are lying on circle of radius root 3. No. Form or equilateral triangle, none of these. See, modulus of all the three complex number is 1. It means that this lie on circle of radius 1. So our second option is incorrect. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to find distance between Z1, Z2. Okay. So distance between Z1 and Z2 using distance formula, and this will be a square root. Okay. 1 minus 1 by 2, this will become 3 by 2. Okay. No problem, student. A square plus 0 minus root 3 by 2, this will come root 3 by 2 square, and this will become 9 3 upon 4, 9 plus 3 12 upon 4. This distance will become a square root 3. See, this calculation was easy, that's why I have written directly root 3. Okay. Now next I am going to find distance between Z1 and Z3, and this will be a square root. 1 minus 1 by 2, this will again become 3 by 2 square, plus 0 minus 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 square, and if you see both calculation is same, and this will also become root 3. I am going to find distance between Z2 and Z3, and this is minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, this will become 0 square, plus this is minus root 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2, this will become minus 2 root 3 by 2 whole square. 2 will get cancelled out. Minus root 3 square will become 3. 0 plus 3 will become root 3. Here we can say that distance between Z1, Z2, Z3 all are same. All are same. Okay, so this will form equilateral triangle. Z1, Z2, Z3. All distance are equal, so this will form equilateral triangle. They will not be collinear. Condition for collinearity is AB plus BC is equals to AC. Okay, if sum of two numbers is equals to third number, then we can say Z1, Z2, Z3 are collinear. Thank you, students.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.